We're on the northernmost area of Ike Island. This is an island group off the coast of the main island of Okinawa. So this expanse of sea, this is already facing the Pacific Ocean. I-encounter ng waves dyan, no? Going yung clash ng waves dyan. So we're right now here at AJ Resort. Naabutan namin to kahapon sa after crossing yung Miyagi Island. Somebody is posing here. Hello. Mag-cross lang ako dito sandali. So, maliit lang na isla to. There's a bridge connecting this island with the bigger island of Miyagi. Remember the Karate Kid, Mr. Miyagi? Dito nang galing siya. Let us see here. Dulo na to, no? What is this? Oh. We'll be going back, no? But we'll be going back to the capital city of Naha here in Okinawa because we'll be returning yung rented car 3:30 p.m. mamaya. So tonight will be our last night of stay here in Okinawa. Ganda ng adventure. Tingnan natin.